Today I'm talking about one application. This application is one of the best application. When you read any books, any idiom, then you forget your words, meanings, then you will not able to read books. After that you copy, paste on Google. Then after that you will not able to find visual meaning with picture. But this application, it provides you with picture as well as sentences. So without waste time, you can find new vocabularies. If you appreciate vocabularies and applications, use dictionaries and translations, but you didn't able to find fantastic vocabularies with visual and with pictures. So don't take chances about this. And app will solve a problem as well as you have to do it. You have to be proud of this application. First of all, subscribe my channel, then go ahead and press the bell icon, then you will get new notification from the application. So I'm talking about one application, Magtapp. Magtapp visual meaning in one of tab web browser. Also this is web browser application. First of all, go to Google, then search Magtapp. Then after that you will download here. You will download this application from Google application, Google Play Store. Then upload your any vocabularies and meaning search here. Okay, I talk about ahead process. Let's think about one application. This application name Magtapp. Search this, then go to application site, my profiles. First of all, you have to log in here, your IT, Gmail, mobile number as you wish, and whatever you want. And you search or type as web address, web browser news, and scroll down image dictionary, search words for visual meaning, document reader, Access, PDF, PPT, Words, Excel file, online books, download 50,000 free books here, video courses for educational courses, science free. Magtapp translation, full translation on other apps, voice translations, camera translations. Then also you can play cam here, play cam and earn money. Scroll off, then search your vocabularies. Your dictionary was very bad, but it started your new book. It stays after this. And first of all, tap Magtapp. Start this. This is your search vocabulary, and you want to search target. Search vocabulary here. Then search what's mean target. Target mean you are looking here appearing. The dart hit the target. Then citations as well as vocabularies with picture as well as sentence. It's one of the best application. I've been using this application for many days, and the locations and more meanings and Hindi meanings, English meanings, synonyms, also target, goal, aim, objective, destinations, pursuit, sigh, caucasus, moons, purples, pumpkin, right, base, request. You can search here too much vocabularies I'm searching. And the Hindi word, I don't know Hindi, but I can search here. You can speak here Sundar. You can search can you speak here. Okay, and again Sundar. Search here Sundar, good looking. Hindi, good looking. Then search here and also Hindi and search bekar. I don't know Hindi too much. Bekar. Search here. Tap on this. Bekar means bekar. Means searching, not searching. You can search here. Bekar. Okay. Unemployed. You can say unemployed. Then search here vocabularies many, and also you can speak here. So beautiful. Search here. Yeah. Okay, then it's I'm return. Search on this. You have to delete chat. You can delete filter chat, and you will find the visual vocabularies from here. And so I'm suggesting you is one of the best. You want to question about GK, you want to get question about new current affairs, you search here. You can search your vocabularies like this: Magtapp, visual meaning, font tab for stress. I like it, this application. I hope you will like this video and as well as Magtapp app. So finally, subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye bye.